Once you have all the data ready and you've got the forms that you know you need to file, the next thing, of course, is to complete the forms. So some forms are going to be easier than others, so it's important that you allocate a sufficient amount of time. For the most part, the F-bar is relatively straightforward. If you have the account information, you've got the account number, you've got the address, and you've got the maximum value. It's important to make sure you're using an exchange rate that the IRS accepts, typically the Department of Treasury exchange rates or the IRS average exchange rate. Some forms are going to be more complicated. The F-bar is a little more complicated than, the Form 8938 is a little more complicated than the F-bar. The Form 8621 can be much more complicated, especially in years you have excess distributions. One thing to remember, it's not a test. You don't have to get 100%, right? The goal is just to effectively and accurately complete the forms the best you can using reasonable due diligence, okay? It doesn't require you to spend 1,000 hours doing it. It's just you want to try to do your best. So if you're ever audited, you can explain that you did everything you could to try to report the most accurate information that you could get.